Welcome back, this is Johnny Clouds here at A1A Vapors, and today another pod review featuring the Myle. So let's check it out. Inside the box comes the charger cable, like so, the device, like so, direction manual, nice and clear, easy to read, and let's take a look at the device. This is the Myle. It's got a little USB charger here, where you plug it in right there. Also features 3 lights right here for battery indication, and let me demonstrate. So obviously 3 lights. Illuminated is full, and then it'll drop down to mid charge and low charge. It has a 240 milliamp hour battery. The device comes in blue, black, red, rose gold, and gray. So the pods that go in this are pre-filled, like so, and you just snap them in. They're ultra convenient. Each pod is 0.9 of 1 ml. The draw on this is semi-restrictive. The flavors that they have made that come in the pre-filled pods are fantastic. Lush Ice, which is a menthol watermelon. Cubano, which is a creamy tobacco flavor, which is my personal favorite. Mighty Mint is exactly how it sounds. It's like a menthol mint, pretty refreshing. And Summer Strawberry. And one of the most popular is Tropical Mango. As for the device, it's pretty small in size. It's pretty compact compared to, let's say, the Sharpie here. Here's a better, like so, and it's pretty thin. Battery charge lasts pretty much all day. This is one of my favorite salt nick devices. The salt nick that comes in the pre-filled pods are 50 milligram salt nick, and the flavors are, like I said before, they're fantastic. This is probably my go-to when I'm just running around really quick and I don't want to carry a big mod, like so, or whatever, you know. And they're just ultra portable and just super easy to charge. But yeah, that's the Myle. And soon to be released is the pink breast cancer awareness version, which we'll have soon at A1A Vapors. But yeah, this is Johnny Clouds. I'm signing out. And hey YouTube, keep it cloudy.